Bakit mo pa i-deep fry kung kaya naman sa air fryer? Kumusta? Kumain ka na ba? Gawa tayo ng crispy potato wedges, healthier version. Slice potatoes into wedges, skin on tayo kaya make sure na nalinis maigi yung balat. Soak in cold water for 30 minutes to remove excess starch. Drain and dry them with paper towels, dapat completely dry. Then add cooking oil, massage until ma-fully coat na ng oil yung mga potatoes. For the seasoning, combine paprika powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and cornstarch. Mix to combine, then sprinkle natin to over the potatoes. Nag-add din ako ng chopped parsley. Optional lang naman, kung wala, okay lang. Massage lang uli until ma-fully coat na yung potatoes. Line na natin to sa air fryer, then air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Shake lang natin to, then air fry again for another 15 minutes or until crispy. Serve with garlic sauce, then ayan na, may masarap na appetizer na tayo na para ka na rin nag-order sa restaurant. Kaya try nyo na!